In this video, I'm going to show you these 6 clear signs that you are on the path to blowing up on YouTube. If you recognize even a few of these, don't stop, just don't stop, because success might be right around the corner waiting for you. And trust me, I have seen this sign in some channels that went from struggling to thriving, including my own channel. But stay to the end, because the last sign is the most that almost every successful YouTuber talks about. So if this is the kind of video you want to see today, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so that YouTube can push it to more creators who need to see this. So let's dive into the video. The first sign is your click-through rate is increasing. One of the biggest indicators that you are about to take off is a rising CTR. This means more people are clicking on your videos when they see them. If you have ever noticed that your thumbnail and titles are getting more clicks and more views, YouTube is likely to push your content to new audience. And make sure you stick to that pattern of your thumbnail and title. For example, I once had a video that set at 3% CTR for weeks. Then after I finished tweaking the thumbnail, it jumped to 7% and boom, YouTube started recommending it, and the views were something that you cannot write home about. I mean, the views started skyrocketing. So make sure that whenever you upload a video, go to your YouTube Studio. Let your YouTube Studio guide you. Check your analytics. If you see any growth in your CTR, keep optimizing it to that strategy. The second sign you will see is your watch time and average view duration are climbing. You know, YouTube loves content, a particular video or a particular content from a YouTuber channel that keeps people watching for as long as possible. If you notice that your watch time is increasing each time you publish a video, it is a strong signal that your content is very engaging. And make sure you always stick to that type of content. This is when the YouTube's algorithm starts recommending your videos to a wider audience. Now I'm going to give you a pro tips on how you are going to do to check this. Check your retention graph. Once you go to your YouTube analytics, go to the audience and check your retention graph. If people are dropping off in the first 10 seconds of your video, you need to work on your hook. You need to work on your first opening. If they are staying longer than before, like longer than your previous video, you are now on the right track. And this is where you are going to maintain that type of hook you are using to do to make your video. The third sign is your videos are getting more suggested views. A clear sign of upcoming growth is when YouTube itself has started promoting your content. If your suggested video's traffic source is increasing, I mean one of your suggested video is getting traffic source from people and is increasing in analytics, it means YouTube is texting your content with new viewers. Now let me give you example. I had a video that was getting barely 50 views a day, but then I checked my analytics and saw that suggested views were rising. Now within 2 weeks, that video was pulling in hundreds and thousands of views every single day. So this is how you are going to check your retention to see where people are dropping off, how you are going to fix it, and all of that. The fourth sign is more people are commenting and engaging. When viewers take their time to comment, ask a question, or even argue in the comment section, that is a great sign. It means people are invested in your content. People are getting acknowledged. People are getting inspired with your content. You know, engagement tells YouTube that this video is valuable and they will start pushing it to more people. So if you're getting a lot of comments, a lot of engagement in your comment section or in your video, that is a great sign for you. So this is a pro tips. Make sure that you reply to many comments as possible, no matter how small or big they are. The more engagement you get on your video, the faster your channel will grow. I mean your channel and that particular video that is getting what engagement. The fifth sign is your old videos are still getting views. Yes, I noticed that most of my video in the past are not getting views, but with time I started making my improvement. Now, if you notice that your old videos aren't gaining traction, it means that YouTube is reviving your content and putting it in front of new audiences. This is a strong sign that your channel is picking up momentum. Let me tell you a story. I had a video that I thought was dead. Then out of nowhere, it started getting 500 views, 400 views a day. YouTube was pushing it to more people. I was getting engagement, I was getting comment, and people were also watching my older words videos, and my whole channel grew from that. And that was what helped me to get my what my 1000 subscriber, and some of my watch hour that is helping me to hit my 4000 watch hour today. So this is another sign you need to look into. Then the sixth sign is you feel like giving up, but you keep going each time you come on YouTube. Yes, this is a sign that no one talks about. Right before many YouTubers blow up, they feel frustrated, like their hard work is not paying off. You feel like, is this YouTube worth it? Is YouTube for me? But the only thing that separates them from you is that they keep pushing. If you're feeling like this, don't quit on YouTube. Don't quit now. Just be patient, stay calm. You might be one video away from everything changing on your channel. So you don't need to quit. You need to keep what? Pushing. I know sometimes you feel like, what is the essence of me making video? But I want to tell you that people that always win don't what? Quit. The people that always quit, they lose what? The result. So every big YouTuber has been where you are right now. I have been there. They have been there. So you are not the first person or either the last person to be in that position. The difference is that they keep going and keep what? Improving. So do any of this sign sounds familiar to you? If yes, keep going. Let's grow together. Growth takes time, but if you are seeing this signal, you are on the right track. Let me know in the comment section which sign you have ever noticed on your channel, and also if you want to learn more YouTube growth strategy, check out this video here. I reveal the YouTube tips you need to avoid in this year 2025 and start making the new ones. That is for small channels like you. So don't miss it. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating. I want to be your friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.